organs. Now the primary organs of the excretory system are the kidneys. Okay, these are the primary organs of the excretory system. Yeah, excretory system, and they play a very important role in homeostasis because they maintain the blood pressure, all right, by controlling the salt and the water in the blood. So you need to know about the kidneys. Okay, you have studied before, you have 2 kidneys, right? Okay, so now the blood vessel that goes to the kidney is the renal artery, and the blood vessel that leaves the kidney after filtering the blood goes to the renal vein. That means unfiltered blood will enter renal artery, the filtered blood will be going out through the renal vein. Okay, so what's going to happen is now the blood is coming into the renal artery, right? Okay, how does the blood reach the renal artery? You have studied before that your major artery, the largest artery in the body, is the aorta. Aorta branches to a lot of arteries. So to go to the kidney, the aorta branches to the renal artery to go to the kidney. Alright, so now when the renal artery is going to the kidney, it brings blood which is rich in waste products, alright, and other products like glucose and amino acids. So now the blood is unfiltered, lot of waste products, and there's also glucose for the kidneys to use. There's also amino acids for the kidneys. Okay, so we're only going to concentrate on, in the renal artery, we're going to concentrate on, it has got glucose, amino acids, mineral salt, water, and nitrogenous waste product, which is urea. Okay, we concentrate on urea first. So these are the waste products. They go into the kidney. Now the blood will come in here, and then there's filtration taking place in these units here. This small units here is called the nephron, the basic unit of the kidney. Okay, so afterwards we study about the nephron. So once the blood is filtered, it will leave the kidney through the renal pelvis. So this is the renal pelvis. Okay, from the renal pelvis, the blood will enter ureter. From the ureter, the blood will enter urinary. From here, once the blood is filtered, what is coming out from the renal pelvis? The urine. Okay, so urine. You're producing urine in the nephron. Alright, so not blood, see, blood is going to go in. The blood has waste products. So in the nephron, you're going to produce the urine. Alright, you will study afterwards why it's not red in color. So the urine leave out through the renal pelvis, enter the ureter. You have 2 ureter. Ureter means enter. Use the keyword enter. So the urine enters the ureter. The 2 ureters will take it to your urinary bladder, where it is stored in the urinary bladder, and the urine then leaves your body through the urethra. Remember, throw out. So the last tube is urethra. So in your exams, you also need to know the parts of the kidney. Okay, so renal artery will go into the kidney. Alright, take the blood that needs to be filtered. It's get filtered. Then you produce your urine that comes out to the renal pelvis, and then go to the ureter, enters your urinary bladder, stored there. Once it's full, okay, the urine will be released to the urethra. So now we are going to study in the next lesson, alright, what is happening inside your kidney. Okay, so that will be your next lesson.